find you a bucky.
It's not a bucket. It's a Hilux.
It is TV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is Times.co.za. It's Kaizer Chiefs 1, Polokwane City 0. Chucks and Chucks, can you hear that?
Can you repeat, please, my brother, so that the bomb squad can hear, and you must speak louder because what we shapela go fast.
Chucks and Chucks, I will repeat that, but corner in noise. Can you hear that? There are sirens. Can you hear the sirens?
No, maybe it's just this with this computer and stuff.
Oh, it's just.
Yeah, just.
Oh, I thought I was hearing some sirens.
No, it's trying to distract us, but it's okay.
Chucks, because I want you to be safe.
Yeah, okay.
Because I thought maybe mhlambi your escort mhlambi seyifikile sekulindile ngaphandle Chucks and Chucks.
No, Toy is here and Lindo Pep is here, so and you are here as well.
You are safe.
No, I'm definitely safe.
Chucks and Chucks. Chucks and Chucks. Hey, Chucks, you won today. Beating Polokwane City. Remember last season they collected 4 points from you.
Yeah.
And this season you've already collected 3 points from them.
Absolutely.
Beautiful victory for Nina. Meaning that you've collected 6 points out of 6. You won 2 out of 2. You are number 2 on the log. Based on whatever reasons as the second part. If it was for any other reasons, you would be on top. If you made eat Durban seat. But ekubalulekile Chucks is that you collected 3 points namhlanje, a victory. Congratulations. Mandukubulise usibulisele nasemajidini.
Chain, Hozo Watempigo Lapeni, champion himself all the time. Masulo Macha, Mutogwana.
Oh.
Could make the bomb squad. Just to like Mutumese because sometimes I forget to say hi to Justice.
Oh.
Yeah, but he's doing a very good job here.
Yes.
So we must greet him all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ngulux, So, Agahoa, Lindoza. Yeah, Gaufella one Amachita, Hutsun Gaufella.
Chucks and Chucks.
Bobza. Yeah. Show my brother.
What did you make of the game?
No, great stuff.
Yeah.
Good game. We need 3 points, another 3 points.
Yeah.
2 games.
Yeah.
2 clean sheet. 6 points. So we're number 2. We don't have to get number 1. So we are fine there. No.
Yeah.
We are okay there. And again, man of the match,
Aiden.
Chiefs player.
Yes.
Aiden McCarthy.
Straight from the development.
That's it.
The son of your club legend.
Yeah.
Fabian.
And Africans also are Argina se fargi. Yeah. Meaning like father, like son.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, but the apple fall ni fair fan the boom afni.
Oh.
Yeah, so April. Yeah, it's on
Alulanga good
Yeah, say.
Yeah.
Translate, my friend. Yes,
yeah.
Yeah, but that's a great game of football from the Glamour Boys.
Yeah.
And Polokwane City as well. I think Polokwane City offered nothing today. We must just be honest with that. It was only that shot from Gambala that was saved by
Bruce Fuma.
by Peterson.
Peterson, yeah.
One thing is you go Bruce watching. Now. No, I'm just asking. I'm not fighting. It's you go Bruce watching.
AFCON, yes, I'm going to say.
He is out here. So something needs to change. Something needs to give.
Yeah.
So I'm just saying to him, wherever he is, I know they watch Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
There's no one who doesn't watch Kaizer Chiefs. A well-performed Kaizer Chiefs is good for the country.
Oh.
You can ask those who have taken the league for 7 times or so forth. But I can tell you,
when
Amakos is doing well, everybody does well.
Chucks and Chucks.
Yourself, you are supporting different team. I don't want to mention it, but I can tell you, Shane, as well. You are inside, you are happy, but outside, you might not be happy. So I can tell you, we are cruising at the moment. 6 points. We are grinding results, bit by bit. But to the coaches, they mustn't change too much.
Yeah.
If your starting 11 has won your game, why do you have to change the next game? I mean, in terms of today's game, Ngobo didn't start with the game, and it did score against Stellenbosch. It's just a question out of the way.
Maybe Mhlambi coming to it defense, they analyze the opponent and felt okay, Ngobo not today. Let's start with the Ox and maybe I don't know.
Yeah, no, I'm just saying. Just trying to ask
why.
Sure. Yeah, but actually, that's what I'm saying. They did well by moving the ball. On the left side, on the right side, but we couldn't penetrate Polokwane City. I think they wanted to play a low block. Number 2, never know sharper transition or all those kind of things or counter attack, which they couldn't penetrate Amako's defense.
Sure.
So all in all, Chain, we are happy with the 3 points once again. We are going forward with these kind of things. they don't want to see what we saw last season. We won 2 games, 3 games in a row. After that, I told you about it. So, but at this stage, Shane, we are happy. We are grinding results. This is the best thing for Amakosi to do.
Ingaba le season ingayenye yezo season yeah usayikhumbula la season ka 2001
2001, the one I remember it was when we won the Mandela Cup. It was the goal was scored by Patrick Mabedi. It was a penalty at Ellis Park. Yeah.
where you
No,
cleaned
I was there as well. So yeah,
you were there
yeah, I was there. I still remember that.
in all those finals where you were cleaning everything.
You know the story, my brother. It was Operation what?
Operation Teka Inkwas.
I wanted you to say that. It's nice when it comes from you, my brother. Yeah,
Xa ujongile iqela lakho Chucks,
yeah.
I know ukuthi sometimes as a supporter sometimes you also need to be arrogant.
Yeah.
Can we see mhlawumbe a repeat of that this season? You must remember, you are in the Betway Premiership.
Yeah.
You are number 2.
Yeah.
There's a Carling Cup coming
Yes,
up.
yes.
There's a Nedbank.
Nedbank as well.
There's a CAF Confederations Cup coming
Yeah,
up.
absolutely.
Meaning that there's 4 competitions also will participate kuzo this season.
Yeah.
Season 2001.
I see.
Singaphinde lapha Chucks.
I see all those that we are talking about, Shane, but you miss one thing. Yeah, Betway Premiership.
Yeah.
You know, people, they undermine the Betway Premiership. They like to hype themselves, got this kind of trophies that were MTN 8, Nedbank,
Nedbank,
and
Carling, yeah.
The most important thing to say, if you want to be the king of South Africa, you've got to take the Betway Premiership. You understand? So we have to deal with that. These other things I see, my brother.
Yeah.
That's why I'm saying in terms of the players, they must be strong. They must be consolidated. There must be a unity. They must fight for each other. Our players like Abuli Lebo, he mustn't marry the touchline then. He must come. He can play as a first number 9. You understand? Or as a center forward. You know, open space for Abu Duba and the stuff.
Yeah.
And he can take on the players.
Sure.
Lebo. He mustn't have that fear on him. So as I'm saying, my brother, this is what kind of thing that we want to see.
Last season, Chucks, you brought in your now captain, Miguel.
Yeah.
There were Abo Dotley,
Yeah.
Abo Serino, Abo Lilepo. But you know where you finished. You finished 9th on the log.
Yeah.
But the most positive thing is that you won your first trophy in 10 years, which is the Nedbank Cup.
Absolutely.
This season, you've already bought a couple of players.
Yeah.
Like there's a new left leg, Ushinga. There's Upaseka Marco. There's Monyane on the right.
right,
And there's also Chislet, the midfielder.
Chislet,
He hasn't
yes,
made his
hasn't-
debut.
yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So, Chucks, you've made a couple of acquisitions this season. Where do you think your team might finish this season, or improvement engakanani from last season?
So meaning, Shane, when I looked at this question, you want me to repeat what I've said last week.
What did you say last week,
I
Chucks?
said we're going to compete.
Oh.
So now you want me to repeat again.
Chucks
I'm
and Chucks.
saying again that Lama Boys is back. Amakos is going to compete amongst the best. That's what I'm saying. You know, we can't keep on, having that confidence and belief for nothing. A false one.
Sure.
Yeah. So we really need to make sure that Cheney we compete amongst the best. And indeed, we are going there, my brother. With the kind of players that you've mentioned, so I think they will bring stability. If you even see Kajeni, what a well taken goal, my brother. But he was lucky as well not to have been walked. I think that tackle.
Yeah, it should have been a red.
it should have been red.
Yeah,
And even
yeah.
Aiden McCarthy as well, they was lucky as well not to get the second yellow card. You know? But all in all, my brother, the players that you brought, I think they should make changes into the Amakos family. Or else, my brother, it means we didn't get them right. But so far, so good.
Yeah.
For us. So far, so good for Amakosi. That's what I'm saying. Amakosi, you can even see the stadium almost full. But they will keep on coming to the stadium. As long as you keep on winning, my brother,
yeah.
then they will do that, my brother. But that's what I'm saying. Performance for Amakosi, whether you play good or not, but the game again against Blue One City, we didn't play well. You know what? But 3 points is very vital.
Chucks and Chucks, 3 points is very vital, and you collected 3 points namhlanje against the Polokwane City. Chucks and Chucks, enkosi kakhulu for your analysis. Bese FNB namhlanje kwiKaizer Chiefs bethe khona ke Polokwane City ngenqaku elinye eqandeni, inqaku elikoreke nguGajeni. His debut goal for iKaizer Chiefs. He made his official debut last week against Stellenbosch, coming off the bench again. Namhlanje coming off the bench, but the only difference namhlanje is that he scored the winning goal, of which he ends a lot with Kaizer Chiefs. Win a 2 out of 2. But from me and to Chucks and Chucks, Thank you so much for watching Idiski TV.
Tango.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Idiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Diski TV.